If God bless me with some boobs, then I got some boobs. Sometimes I'm preaching, they fall, they jump out. Can I stop that? No, because God has enhanced me naturally.
When the dogs are roll, where the talk are roll, fire gang do advantage of power roll.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, what on? I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time y'all check out the Chaddy Mar TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know.
When the dogs are roll, where the talk are roll, fire gang do advantage of power roll.
Jacure is now at the center of a controversy. Jacure in the media again. Voice note leak and beatings apparently. Producer pay Jacure for do song, but Jacure did not do song. We are gonna talk about that. We are gonna talk about Shenseea. But just the outer road that dash way, so Shenseea leak herself. John was there. Anyway, we are going to talk about that. And we are going to talk about the little clip we played in the intro with Marianne Hall explaining why her boobs was all over the place. Well, not all over the place, you know. But they were a little exposed. Them did a show a little bit. But before we go in the video, we are going to talk about Flicka, the dancehall rapper, song. Yeah, him have a song when him talk a road. And people, this song is definitely a talk on the road. So we are going to listen to it a little bit, run the intro, and then we explain what going on in the song. People, pray no man.
When the team roll out, we run the street like the meet our post. Big fat Benz when me up out. Next clip I roll as the weed ya out. Smoking with us, yeah, it's different. Remember dog and smoke herb, yeah, consistent. Smoke the best you can smell it from a distance. And anywhere I go, I can't roll it, load it.
Yeah, yeah. Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
Me as a youth, I like when people give me respect. Me as a youth, I like when people just respect people in general. And you see Flicka, the dancehall rapper, he must show a big respect right here, so. Because you see the song I'm play named Talk of the Town. By the way, the next song I'm play when named Cloudy, you need to check it out. Yeah, that's the second one with the music video. Cloudy. Yeah man, a weed song man. So for all of the weed smokers them, you definitely check out that one as well. But we are talking about Talk of the Town. And we are talking about where Flicka, the dancehall rapper, do. Now, Flicka is from Portland. People, I'm from Portland too. For all of the new subscribers, them we don't know. Yeah, I'm from Portland. The old one them would know. So Flicka go so booms now and make a song. I show the man them respect in a Portland. We are talking the big top guns them in a Portland. The icons them we are run the thing. The man them like Versatile, the Road Carver, Benzel, the Clickstar General, Fire Dopes, the Six God. All of them people a Portland them found from. Oh yeah, so man. And the man goes so booms and a bring them up. A bad song. And me know said this one is going to be a Portland anthem. So me have to rinse it off back again. Don't?
Got another mark X swagged out. Pull up a your gal with a neat approach. Money is tall than Peter Crouch. So much ice around my neck, yeah, me need a coat. I'm chilling,
The man say money tall like Peter Crouch. John was star. A bag of ice step on him neck, he need a coat. First me I hear that style. And people, when he make the reference with a Peter Crouch, you know say Peter Crouch are the bad English footballer, the bad striker. And you know say him tall. You see me? And the umbre when him Peter Crouch in a Portland, tall as well. Now you get where I say. People, it bad. You see me? Portland anthem. Me I go want you to check out the full song. Me I go put a link in the description below if you're watching on Instagram. I am going to tag the artist so you can just make one click and go over and profile page and a link should be there to this song as well.
when the dogs are roll, where the talk are roll. Fire gang do advantage of power roll. One click post start, yeah we gonna know. Carvings, yeah, some verse card the road.
People, let me know what you think about Flicka the dancehall rapper song entitled Talk a Road. Now people, we are going to talk about Shenseea recent photograph because Shenseea took it to Instagram to upload this photograph. But people, a bag of people attack, say Shenseea expose herself, say Shenseea show up the button. Like if you zoom in it good, you will see a little something. Me not see nothing still. I don't know what them a see, but people, let me know what you think pre this. People, if you don't want to see the photos still, you can check my Instagram page. Me I gonna leave a link in the description below. But me kinda did have to blur out it, you know, YouTube stay. But it kinda, if you zoom it, you not really see nothing, but you just see a lot of cleavage. You know? So the people they must say it look like say Shenseea now wear no panty. But then again, me don't really see no problem with that. Anyway, we're moving on. People, check out this video and tell me if this right. So you tell me say all of that because the hombre probably a go home late from work and in past 8 o'clock curfew. Bag of truck and bag of police and beatings. Yo, John was star. To me, the curfew thing no make no sense, but tell me in the comment section what you think about it still. I don't want to debate further on about it. Listen this voice note. Chaddy star, Jackier. So as I said in the intro, Jackier and some producer make some deal and Jackier supposed to give the producer a song, but Jackier not do the song. But just hear how Jackier address the whole situation. People, pray this.
Easy money, go suck out your mother, take it to the media. I want you get frustrated in some peace. Pussy your name Jackier. No matter think you feel like me a punk. Me connected in a Jamaica, you tell me about don't worry. I thump in your face and me see your street. And push the trigger down your mouth. Boy, I'm gonna tell you this, don't test me here. Bro, stop blood clot, text me and send the PayPal. Pussy, and you see me no one in chatting with you. You don't want to hear it. Cause you and your father, pussy hole, your father come text me overnight and I'm sleep. I come. Let me tell you something. I tell you already from a long time, so easy money. So if you continue to call me, I gotta just run back your money. I'm rich. And I can't stop telling you this. You don't know nothing about me and my life and my friend. Brother, you want me show you me take?
Then what a piece of liberty. Jackier. What kind of style that? If this is indeed Jackier. If the brother pay you for your song, you know give the money song. And if you don't want to do business with him because you feel like him a call your phone too much. Simple. Run back the man money and have to tell the man say you're rich and you stuff the $3,000 in him. Yo, I'm telling you, you know. Sometimes when you reach somewhere in a life. And then I got to understand say easy money pay the man over 1 year now for do the song. And Jackier don't want to do the song. So Jackier, if you feel like the man need to wait 2, 3, 4, 5 years, run back the man money, brother. People are business, you know. A business dog. You always are forward in the media with them thing, yeah. Jackier with woman. Jackier with dub. Jackier with producer. Jackier with songwriter. Jackier. Come on, Jackier. Anyway, people, tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. We're moving on. Now, lady saw Miss Marian Hall. Nah, call lady saw, because she don't go by that name again. But Marian Hall, formerly known as Lady Saw, uploaded this photograph on her Instagram. Now, based on how the photograph look, and you can see one little, you know, our breast them look, you know, pump up on them thing there, and people are look, cause it kind of show a little bit, not much, but a little bit. The people them start talk because the lady saw our Marian Hall is Christian. She no fi look so. She no fi dress and put on her things them. Now lady saw address those people. Watch this video.
Hi, how you doing? Okay, bless you. I just want to do this short video to address the comments that I heard, like some of you judging me because I have some cleavage. I can't help myself, baby girls. I can't help myself, baby boys. God is the one who created this body, and guess what? I can't do anything about what God blessed me with. If God blessed me with some boobs, then I got some boobs. Sometimes I'm preaching, they fall, they jump out. Can I stop that? No, because God has enhanced me naturally, right? I can't be covered every day. I'm in Miami. It's hot in Miami here. I can't be covered every day in these hot, like you won't see me on the road in the big hats that you see me preaching in, and the long dresses. If I dress like that, you say I look old. If I dress, I wear shorts and I wear shirts, like skirts. And I mean skirts, yeah? Not way up, but I wear skirt. I got tattoos, yeah? I got a few of them. So what can I do? I can't please you, baby. It's not my problem if you don't have some boobs in it, how you want to wear them, if you want to cover them, show them. God cares for what is behind the art. The left art right here, the left breast, sorry, Lord Jesus. Getting all confused with you and your problems. So my heart is right here on the left. And God cares about what's behind there, not my boobs, yeah? So if that's all you see, I guess they look good, right? I'm still a Christian, and I do talk, yeah? So don't get this twisted. I'm still marrying, not lady stuff. I'm an ordained minister, and on Sunday I'll dress appropriately. But when I'm out in the sun, I'm gonna take the sun, vitamin D. Because I got what? I don't have double D's, I got vitamin D. I'm taking some. So have a blessed day. And you, if you know me by now, you would know that I don't care what you say about me. You have the keys to heaven, so you can't stop me if I'm going or not. Okay? So I can't help it. I was born and blessed. I'm so blessed. And I love my body. Whatever shape, when I put on some weight, it's all right. I'm good with that. So, can you see my heart? No, you can't. But God can. Have a wonderful day. I'm having lunch. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. You could talk all you want. You can't stop me from going to heaven if I'm going. I hope I'm going. If you know me by now, you know I don't care. There's somebody calling me. This one telling me, oh, people commenting. Who cares about your comment? I don't answer to anyone. I'm sexy. I'm a sexy Christian. I like to dress sexy on my clothes. Yes, my lingerie line is lavished by Marion Marie. Love me or hate me, I don't care. I just don't.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.
So me cover road, dog, when me gonna road. So me cover road, dog, when me gonna road. So me cover road, dog, when me gonna road. Turn the party low, dog, when me gonna road.